Welcome to Learn Funnel System. In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can get Systeme certified. If you want to get started with the certification process, this is the page where you want to come, and you need to just click on this button and it will be taken to a page where you can have access to all the 28 modules. So once you complete the certification course, your certificate will look like this, where you will have your name here. So this is especially useful for people who are really starting with Systeme, or even if you know how to use Systeme, going through this course will definitely help you learn new features, and you will be able to navigate through different options easily, and you will understand everything much better. So what you get, right, you just need to enter your email, and when you click here, your registration will be completed. And click here to go to your student dashboard, and you will be taken to this student dashboard where you can see all the courses that you have enrolled in. So once you are into the dashboard, I will show you how you can find the course. All you have to do is go here to the student dashboard. That's where you will find the Systeme certification. So as you can see, this is the Systeme certification course, and it has got 29 lessons. The last one is just the certification section. So I have completed the 100% course. I have my certification. So if you are seeing this for the first time, it will be like this, like 0%. So just click on resume and let how it all looks and what all are there in the course. So first part will be an introduction to the Systeme, and you have the option to download the transcript. And as you can see, the next course is the main dashboard and contacts. And as you can also see, if you click on the course, this is how the course will look like. One thing to note is even if you have multiple choice question, some questions have even 2 or 3 answers, so that's where it's going to be a bit challenging. So go through the lessons really carefully, and then attend the question, so that you can complete it really fast. So this is how the quiz will look like, and funnels tab, which will teach you how to use the funnel section. And there are all of these courses are between 5 to 10 minutes long, and so you have all these courses, all these sections, and after every section you will have a quiz that you have to actually complete in order to get the certificate. So this is how it looks once you have finished all the chapters. And the final section, when you click here and when you click on instruction, you will be taken to this page where you can actually apply for your certificate. All you have to do is contact the support team by clicking on this link. When you click on this link, it will open up this page where you need to fill in your name, email and subject, and just give them the name that you want to be displayed on the certificate, and also use the exact email that you use to register for this course. And all you need to do then is to wait maximum 3 hours, and you will get your certificate as a mail. That's how it is, how easy it is to actually get certified for free using this free certification course. And if you need any help completing this course, maybe I will do a video on how to actually get the right answers for the quiz, because this can be confusing. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do another video that covers the answer for the quiz questions. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.